This one's a little bit harder. It wants to know what the value of square root of 55 is to the nearest tenth. So we know from part A that the square root of 55 was between 7 and 8, so we know it's going to be 7 point something. So the nearest tenth, remember, means we want one decimal place, and this is where it gets a little bit tricky. So the square root of 55, 55 is closer to 49 because it's 6 away from 49, but it's 9 away from 64. So because it's closer to 49, we know it's going to be 7 point something, but that something has to be probably less than 5 because it's going to be closer to the 7. So we're going to start with a couple of things. I'm going to start with 7.3 and see where we go. So I know it's either 7.3 times 7.3. And remember, this is a no calculator section, so you do have to know how to multiply. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 7 is 21. Put a 0. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 7 is 49. Plus 2, 51. Come on. So add it all up. 9, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 1, 2. So 7.3 comes out to be 53.29. Pretty close to 55, but let's see if 7.4 is a little bit closer. So 7.4 times 7.4. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 7 is 28, 29. 7 times 4, 28. 7 times 7, 49, 51. So 6, 17, 2, 3, 4. So we know that the square root of 55 has to be between 7 and 8. We know that it's closer to 7, so we don't want to go past 7.5. So I started with 7.3. 7.3 got me pretty close, 53.29, but 7.4 got me closer at 54.76. So to round to the nearest tenth, remember one decimal place, this is going to be 7.4.